Everyone is making ground beef like this after seeing this genius idea. Start by cutting a large cabbage. Cut it into slices about 2 fingers thick. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and stir until melted. When that happens, add 3 cloves of garlic cut into strips, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and sauté until the garlic turns lightly golden. Now add the cabbage slices and fry them until golden brown on both sides. This is the right point. Repeat this process with all the cabbage. Then, in a large bowl, add 1 kilo of ground beef, green onions to taste, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and mix everything very well so that the seasoning is incorporated. Then, take a handful of this meat and shape it into a ball just like I'm doing. Repeat this process with all the meat. Now, add the fried slices of cabbage in a large baking tray lined with non-stick paper. Season them with a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Add 2 slices of red onion on top of each one, the meat we prepared. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. And with a potato masher, flatten the meat just like I'm doing and set aside. Now, grate a whole zucchini using the largest holes on the grater. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Then, in a medium bowl, add 200 grams of cooking cream, green onions to taste, parsley to taste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and mix until combined. This is the right mix. Now, arrange all the zucchini on top of the meat. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Spread the sauce we prepared. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.